good fish. Welcome to another episode of Ozfish. Dave here, let's get some. Bored shitless sitting at home, man, so I thought I'd come up for a quick afternoon session at Lake St Clair. Barometer's down, bit of wind from the southeast, and it's a Saturday, man, so there's heaps of dudes out towing their kids around, you know, like skiing, jet skiing. But yeah, I'm going to mow the edges with the reaction bites and a couple of chatterbaits, and there's been a bit of a rise in the dam, so see what happens. Yeah, I'm expecting the fish to be up pretty tight on the bank with a rise. So let's get it in there. No electric, so I've got to keep backing in. Plenty of fish on the sounder, on the step, 24 foot. Drops off 25 feet in a big ledge here, so first fish for the afternoon. Just a feisty little fella. Yeah, those fish in them low 30s. Anyway, it's a start. It's good fish. Nice fish just before dark. Pinned him on the rattling spot. Trolling against the wind, loud a southerly, trolling home. Not too bad a fish on the dressed jackal. Yeah, it's like too windy to fish, with no electric motor, so yeah, so what I'm doing is I'm just trolling home against the wind. Looks like I'm going to get a wet arse, but yeah, it just goes to show you, just before dark, that's on a dressed jackal, like a Iokan sound with a blade above it, so yeah, smashed it. Probably fish about, yeah, 39, 40 maybe. So there we go. It's getting windy. Fish on the trawl. Yeah, chunky little fella. Yeah, chunky little fellas just before dark. Mid-30s. Picking me up in 39, 40 foot of water. Hit him on the old school rattling spot. Yeah, baby, rig weedless. Man, what a spin out. This fish is in 84 foot of water, like way off the bank, out in the middle of nowhere. Oh, I pulled the hooks on him right at the boat, but yeah, out in the middle of nowhere. Just goes to show you how far wide they're roaming of a night. Wow. Nice fish in the dark. Mate, yeah, that's a 40. Yeah, 39, 40. Picking me up in the dark on that rattling spot. They're just picking me up on that gold rattling spot. Pretty cool. Yeah, baby. Yeah, I'll take him. Well, man, that was an extremely tough session at Lake St Clair. For some reason, the dam was really shut down. It's a Saturday, so there's a lot of people up here, you know, a lot of activity, but probably ended up catching about a dozen fish all up. But every time you're fishing, you're always learning, because it was really squally from the south, you know, just 15-20 minutes before dark there. So I've got no electric motor on my boat, so what I was doing, I was just trolling a cotton cordell rattling spot in gold and black off the back of the boat, and a TN60 with a blade above it. And man, yeah, I got belted by about 4 or 5 fish, you know, about 15 minutes before dark. Wasn't much light there, but yeah, they were finding it really well. And what spun me out was I hit one fish like way out, like in about 80 feet of water, and another fish probably way out in about 40-45 feet of water. So it just goes to show that the bass are kind of all over the dam in the dark. They're even way out wide where you think they wouldn't be. You'd think they'd be right on the edge, but they're not. They're kind of like everywhere. So yeah, that was really interesting. But anyway, a bit disappointing, but you never know when you're fishing. You just got to keep going back and having a look. That's my 4th trip, and I've had 3, you know, pretty good trips, and that's the toughest trip I've had. But anyway, man, that's bass fishing. Till next time.